In this video, I'm going to show how to use SendOutCards to send a postcard. And just to say, hey, my name is Tony Anzer. My SendOutCards website is snailmailking.com. Here you'll find everything you need to know about SendOutCards. And if you want to send a free SendOutCard, you can click that link too, or learn more about pricing, cards, features, affiliate program, all that good stuff. All right, so we're going to send a card here. And okay, so we're going to do a postcard. So I'm going to build my own for a postcard. So I'm going to click build my own. Postcard would be shaped like this. Yes, continue. I know it looks like a regular card, but we'll have the option to change it in a second here. So we get flat card, 2-panel, 3-panel, big card, or postcard. Like doing this. And this tells me it's not eligible for bulk send, which is fine. We're not worried about bulk send. We'll cover that in another video. So this is coming up. I like using SendOutCards just to send funny cards to people. So let me move my bubble here. And so I'm going to do here is add an image. I know I got a bunch of funny stuff already. Okay, here we go. I have a friend of mine that's a big Napoleon Dynamite fan. So I found this image previously. And so I just want to send that fun scene where Napoleon is trying to feed their llama. So this would be the front, and then the back. Well, here we go. Cool. Yes, this is what it's going to look like. So my text here, I'll just pretend I always use my son as a demo here. So oops, didn't need to click that button. All right, so anyway, you can add text. SendOutCard added this feature, and it still throws me off a little bit. I'm not used to it. It's a nice feature. But okay, add text here. So I'm just going to type in, hey, Wyatt, I was thinking of that funny scene in Napoleon, however you spell that, don't worry about it, Dynamite, and thought I'd send a laugh. Dad. Okay, cool. So then we're pretty much done. So we're going to go. So we got that. You need the food. Got that. I'm going to click send. So now at this point, it's just going to ask me to confirm things. Paper standard, schedule immediately. So this is if I wanted to send right now, which would be the plan. If you want it to send later on a date or whatnot, you can do that. And then, so add recipient. So for me, it's my demo. Here we go. Done. Next. And then we check your return address. So if you wanted to change it, you just click here and you can change it. And so now I'm going to hit checkout. And then this is going to be where you confirm it. So, yep. So right here, I would click confirm and send. And these cards are really high quality. So here's this isn't a postcard, but it would print like this. And then this one's actually like a card. I printed this one blank just to see what a stock one would look like. But this is generally the quality. They print out real nice. And so then it would send. All right, if you have any questions about SendOutCards, check out my website, snailmailking.com. And again, if you join SendOutCards, you get my coaching, support, training, and affiliate assistance too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.